everybody. This is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. Today, I'm here with Walt Prentice. He is from Applied Flow Technology. So, Walt, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure, yeah. So my name is Walt Prentice. I'm a business applications engineer here at Applied Flow Technology. That means is an applications engineer. I help people with the software, so the application of the software. My formal background is not in software development, but in traditional engineering, actually chemical engineering. So I help engineers with the software, not the development. But I also do other things. That's where that business part comes in, help with marketing or content and financial analyses. Being a relatively small company, you have to wear a lot of hats. So that's what I do here. Living in Colorado, that's where our office is. Love it. Big baseball fan. So when I went to TPS my first year, I went to an Astros game. So that was a treat. Maybe something similar this year, December, maybe not a baseball game, but something.
Awesome. And yes, and so the first time you went to TPS, we also got to do an interview. So everyone will have to check out the first one and, now the one a few years later.
Yep. Go easy on me, though. That was my first time.
No, it was great. But so, this year TPS has been highlighting the words exchange ideas impacting the industry for their event this year. So how would you say that you're able to impact the industry best?
Well, by making things more efficient. So what software modeling allows you to do is take your real system that exists in the field and put it on your computer, where you can do testing a lot easier, find solutions much easier than you could in the field, or way back when you just had to do things by hand calculations and guessing. And now you can do that all in the computer to really improve the efficiency of your work as an engineer and also the systems that you're working on. Our vision statement at AFT is a sustainable world where fluids are transferred safely, reliably, and efficiently. And we do that by empowering engineers through software modeling to test their systems, to find solutions, and to make sure things are working properly.
Oh, I love it, especially the empowering engineers.
Yeah. Right, fitting.
So what are you planning on showcasing this year?
So we're going to showcase our software. I believe one of our partners, Blaco, is going to be there. They have a device known as the Surge Wave. So they will be more on like the hardware visual side, and we'll be on the software side. So we will show how our software works, because I know this idea of software modeling might be a little nebulous to a lot of people. Like, what does that mean? How does it work? So we will be there to show you how it applies to your systems, alongside with Blaco. They're more on the surge side. So you have systems, you have transient events that go on, like a valve closure. They will show you what that looks like with a device, and we will show you what that looks like in the software. So again, that idea of you have something that exists, but you can model it on a computer where you can do testing and figure out solutions. So we're going to showcase those two things together.
Wonderful. And, I know you kind of mentioned about potentially going to see a ball game while you're there this year, but what are you most looking forward to besides maybe baseball to be back to an in-person TPS?
I don't even think that's possible being in December this year, unfortunately. No, but it'll be great to see all the engineers and shake hands again. I mean, it's been a long time. And the first year I went, I was still pretty new to AFT, so I didn't really know all of these engineers who knew us. But now being here for a couple of years, I have talked to most of them either on the phone or via email or something. And it'll be great to unite with them in person to shake hands, even more so than the first time, just because now I have a little more context. So I'm definitely excited about that, just being able to shake hands.
Yes, and you're right about, the last, really it's going to be 2 years come December, and being able to see those people that you have been building a relationship with over that time of not actually being able to see them in person. It's going to be very nice.
Definitely.
So why don't you tell me, what is the best way to connect with you?
So come by our booth if you're there. Let me look up the booth number real quick. It is 1419. It's right between where the pumps, between the pumps and turbo machinery section. So I guess it's kind of that threshold area. So that's how you can find us at TPS. You come find me. You can ask for Walt, if I'm not around, they'll give you a business card, or I will shake your hand myself. If you don't want to wait until the TPS, then you can contact our AFT office by phone or email. I'm sure we can give that contact info at a later time. So, and you just ask for me, and I'm happy to help with anything. Like I said, I wear many hats. So whether it's sales or support related, I'm happy to help out before or after TPS.
That's wonderful. And Walt, thank you so much for your time today. And I know we're all very much looking forward to TPS this year.
Yeah, thank you so much, Rebecca. I really appreciate it.